Looking in a mirror, we can see that our age starts to show in our eyes, making us look tired and sad. The eyebrows, upper eyelids and outer corners of the eye go down, and small wrinkles start to appear on the face. They might even become deep because of face swelling. A special massage called Shiatsu can help regurenate and restore the area around eyes to its initial state. Shiatsu differs from other types of massage because its only movements are pressing certain dots on the face. It is mostly performed by Japanese women. And perhaps that's the secret of their beauty and youth. We at Healthy Hacks become interested in this type of massage that is becoming more and more popular around the world. Even though it's only officially been recognized by the Japanese medicine. And every Shiatsu massage will take only 1 minuite. It should be performed in the morning, in the evening, and wherever you feel that your eyes are tired. Pressure area is the inner and outer ends and the middle of the eyebrows. Place index fingers on these spots and press in order to restore the brows back to their place. You should apply direct pressing movement to the brows, pushing slightly upward. Do it 7 seconds. Pressure area is outer corners of the eye. Place your index fingers on the spots, warm up the zone a bit, press and release. You can pull the muscle towards the temples slightly, not taking your fingers off. Pay attention to ensure that it's the muscles and not the skin that is being pulled. It takes only 3 seconds and repeat it 3 times. Make pressure on the inner corner of the eye and the nose bridge. Place your index finger on the spots and make a perpendicular movement, not stretching and not moving the skin. You can also make a torque with your middle and index finger and press both the outer and the inner corners of the eye simultaneously. It takes 3 seconds and repeat 3 times. Make pressure area between brows on the zone of the third eye. Tightly join your index, middle and ring fingers together. Press the 3 spots between the brows with your fingertips. It takes only 5 to 7 seconds and repeat it 2 times. Make pressure area under the eyes on the bone. Put index, middle and ring fingers on the spot and press. It needs only 10 seconds and repeat 2 times. These exercises can be done separately or performed as a full face massage with the Shiatsu technique. They can also make any other type of massage or face exercises more effective. Have you ever performed Shiatsu by yourself? Please share your experience with us in the comments.